Today we'll show you how to add contact people in your WhatsApp on laptop. Okay, just follow the steps, so don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to search and open your WhatsApp application in your desktop. Okay, just now go to here and click now. Wait 1 second, guys. Like here. Okay, this is and like new contact. Click here, and now you can put what's the name or what you have. Okay, guys, I will now choose like I think choose like okay, I choose anything. Okay, like this. Okay, now click here and click here. Okay, this is okay, and now click now. I think like logo to contact new. Okay, guys, this is now new contact. Okay, and now you can this put in your phone or not. Okay, just click like this. Okay, and here will be finally okay. Just and now I will put like this. Okay, just I will put a true number. Okay, guys, just only 1 minute. Okay, now I drew now a true contact. Sorry, this is a contact of my friend. Okay, just after you use the new contact, here go now this to this. Okay, click now here, and you will be see now this is a new contact with your friend, and you can tip him hello, like how are you, and you fine. Okay, tell to go to hi. So guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.